Gamma-ray burst. When it comes to the universe's most terrifying phenomena, gamma-ray bursts, often called GRBs, are a cosmic force with the power to obliterate entire worlds in seconds. A gamma-ray burst is an intense, brief flash of gamma radiation, the universe's highest energy light, releasing more energy in seconds than the sun will over billions of years. These are intense explosions of gamma radiation, the highest energy form of light, unleashed during the collapse of massive stars or the collision of neutron stars, often billions of light years away. This colossal burst can release as much energy in a few seconds as our sun will in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. Gamma-ray bursts happen unpredictably and last from milliseconds to minutes, but their impact could be devastating. If a GRB were to occur close enough to Earth within about 6,000 light-years, it could strip away our atmosphere's protective ozone layer, exposing all life to lethal ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The consequences include mass extinction, shattered ecosystems, and possibly the end of life as we know it. Gamma-ray bursts may be rare around us, but their potential for destruction is enough to keep scientists watchful. The risk to Earth is small now, but never zero. The impact of a gamma-ray burst on Earth would vaporize the atmosphere and cause rapid environmental collapse. It's an unforgiving cosmic event that highlights our planet's fragility. Mirror life. This is the unsettling concept behind mirror life, a form of life made from mirror image molecules that don't exist naturally on Earth. Scientists have recently discovered how to create these mirror microbes. But this breakthrough comes with a warning. Mirror life could pose unprecedented risks to our ecosystem and health. Mirror life operates on reversed biochemistry, meaning its molecules are flipped versions of those in ordinary organisms. Because of this, our immune systems might fail to recognize these mirror microbes as threats. Or worse, they might interact with our biology in unpredictable and dangerous ways. The fear is that if such mirror organisms escaped the lab, they could spread unchecked, potentially disrupting entire ecosystems or even interfering with human biology. The fear around mirror life comes from its potential to bypass our immune system and resist existing treatments. Experts say this is more than theoretical. It demands urgent safeguards. As research progresses, a mirror life outbreak moves closer to reality. These tiny reflections could turn into a hidden menace, a biological shadow threatening life from within. The mystery of mirror life challenges our scientific limits and demands new safety measures. We may be closer than we think to crossing a point of no return. Zombie viruses in Siberia. Deep beneath the frozen tundra of Siberia lies a chilling scientific discovery. Ancient zombie viruses trapped in permafrost, frozen for tens of thousands of years, now awakening as the ice melts. These viruses, some dating back 30,000 years, have been preserved in pristine condition, capable of infecting hosts despite their long slumber. So, what exactly are these zombie viruses? Unlike typical viruses, they've been dormant in the Arctic's permafrost, but remain infectious once thawed. With rising global temperatures accelerating permafrost melt, scientists warn these ancient pathogens could resurface, sparking outbreaks of diseases humanity hasn't seen in millennia. As humans and animals increasingly encroach on these thawing lands, exposure to these ancient viruses becomes more likely. These aren't just curiosities for researchers. They represent a tangible risk of new pandemics emerging from the depths of ice, with no natural immunity in today's populations. Viruses that wiped out species long ago could now threaten modern life. These zombie viruses behave in ways science is only starting to grasp, and their return could test our defenses. Cosmic devourers. Black holes are cosmic regions with gravity so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. Their immense power represents the terrifying possibility of total destruction across the universe. Black holes form when massive stars collapse, creating points of infinite density known as singularities. Over time, they grow by pulling in gas, dust, stars, and even other black holes. Some supermassive black holes, millions or billions of times the sun's mass, sit at the centers of galaxies, quietly devouring matter. But will they swallow the entire cosmos? Current science suggests not, at least not anytime soon. The universe is expanding, and this expansion is accelerating, pushing galaxies apart faster than black holes can reach them. In fact, most black holes consume only their immediate surroundings, unable to pull in distant objects across the vast cosmic distances. In the universe's far-off future, black holes could be the last remnants. As stars fade and galaxies die, black holes slowly evaporate via Hawking radiation, eventually disappearing and leaving a dark, cold cosmos behind. Butt-breathing turtles. Some turtles truly breathe through their butts, a bizarre but real survival trick. Certain freshwater species use cloacal respiration, extracting oxygen from water via specialized sacs near their rear ends. When these turtles hibernate underwater during cold months, their lungs can't function normally. Instead, they pump water in and out of their cloaca, an opening used for waste and reproduction, which has thin-walled sacs rich in blood vessels. These sacs act like gills, absorbing oxygen directly from the water and letting carbon dioxide escape. This allows turtles to survive for months without surfacing for air. It's all about survival in oxygen-poor environments. In icy lakes or ponds where the surface is frozen solid, coming up for air isn't an option. This butt breathing keeps them alive through long, harsh winters. Though it sounds humorous, the process is an extraordinary example of nature's inventiveness, turning an unexpected body part into a life-saving respiratory organ. What other hidden secrets could animals around us be hiding? Cone snail. This small, beautiful sea snail from tropical waters carries venom so deadly it can paralyze or kill humans fast, making it one of nature's most dangerous predators. Cone snails hunt with a harpoon-like tooth, loaded with a cocktail of toxins called conotoxins. These venom compounds target the nervous system with pinpoint precision, shutting down muscles and nerves almost instantly. The snail fires this harpoon at unsuspecting prey, injecting venom that immobilizes fish or other marine creatures before slowly devouring them. What makes the cone snail even more chilling is its stealth. Despite its slow movement, it can strike quickly and without warning. There is no anti-venom for cone snail stings, and depending on the species, the venom's effects can be fatal to humans. Fatalities are rare but real, making the cone snail one of the ocean's most dangerous animals. The venom of cone snails is studied for its medical uses, including new painkillers and treatments for neurological disorders. Ghost of the night skies. In the shadowy realm of the night skies, there exists a mysterious creature known as the ghost bat. This rare albino bat stands out with its eerie white fur, almost glowing under the moonlight, making it look like a spectral visitor rather than a living animal. But behind this ghostly appearance lies a fascinating and haunting story. Unlike typical bats that blend into the darkness, the albino bat's bright coloration makes it vulnerable to predators and harsh environmental conditions. Yet, this rare genetic mutation persists in isolated populations, especially in northern regions where sightings are extremely uncommon. Scientists remain intrigued by how these ghosts of the night survive despite the risks their pale fur brings. What's even more captivating is how these bats navigate and hunt in total darkness. Using echolocation, they emit high-frequency sounds, painting a detailed sonic map of their surroundings to catch insects mid-flight. Their ghostly white color contrasts sharply with the darkness, raising questions about the evolutionary trade-offs of such an unusual trait. Box jellyfish. Gliding silently through the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific is one of the ocean's deadliest creatures, the box jellyfish. Known as the world's most venomous sea animal, this nearly transparent predator is as beautiful as it is deadly, with tentacles that can reach up to 10 feet and deliver a sting that can kill a human in minutes. What makes the box jellyfish so terrifying? Its venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells with extreme efficiency. Unlike many other jellyfish, the box jellyfish can actively hunt and chase prey using its sophisticated eyes, 24 in total, that help it navigate through the water. When its tentacles brush against skin, tiny harpoons called nematocysts inject venom that causes excruciating pain, paralysis, and sometimes death. Every year, box jellyfish stings led to numerous fatalities in coastal regions where swimmers and fishermen unknowingly encounter them. Immediate treatment is critical, but even with medical care, the venom's speed and potency make it one of nature's most frightening weapons.